Oh boy, have we got a car for us today. This is a 1961 Chevy Impala bubble top, 348 tri-power, the 350 horse version, factory 4-speed, 370 posi. It underwent a concourse type body off frame rotisserie restoration. This was a one owner car from new until the year 2000, and I have the original bill of sale right here. He ordered this car with a 350 horse engine, the 4-speed, tinted windshield, posi, white walls, deluxe heater, radio, antenna, heavy duty radiator, padded dash, antifreeze, non-glare mirror. The Super Sport package was extremely rare. I think they made about 450 of them total in 1961. That was not available when he ordered this car. After the car came in, the Super Sport package came out, he had the dealer install the Super Sport options, which would be the chrome around the shifter, the grab bar, I think the spinner hubcaps, the sun tachometer. So that was all installed by the original dealer back in 1961. I'm going to show you an amazing car. Go to volocars.com where you're going to see all the price tags on everything we have for sale, along with a monthly finance option with each one. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. This car was restored in 2000 when the original owner sold it. It had about 68,000 actual miles on it. A gentleman he sold it to in Kansas took it to Sterling Restoration. Spent over $100,000. I was told $125,000 at the time to make it concourse. Since then, it has about 3,600 miles on the odometer. Since it was completely redone, the car looks like it was done last week. It's that nice. They call it the bubble top because of kind of the bubble roof and this big bubble back window. But the condition of the body is excellent. And God, year 2000, that's 24 years ago, and it is absolutely holding up beautifully. That says a lot about the quality. Absolutely laser beam straight, no rust, no damage, no cracking, no shrinkage. Repainted its original red color, and it's like glass. All of this is pristine all the way right down to the bottom. All around here, all nice, clean. The rockers are clean, absolutely straight. Even inside here is detailed up real nice. Oh, it opens so easily. Almost. I'm trying to show off here by barely. There we go. All this is pristine, straight, lines up beautifully. I don't see any issues. No funny business, no body work or damage. So the body and paint's outstanding. Probably better than it was when it was new, because they weren't like glass like this is. All of the chrome, these little things on the fenders, the emblems, the grille, all this is beautiful. This one end piece is a little dull right here for some reason. Correct T3 headlamps. The moldings down the side are polished beautifully, as the white insert. Of course, the handles, the bow tie mirrors, all look like new, and all the trim around all the glass, the vent windows on top of the doors, this is all polished up like chrome. Windshield's new, original rear glass with your typical few insignificant light scratches. This is sparkling. You got the dual antennas. There's a little gouge in the chrome right here. Nope, that's just glue that comes off. Rear bumper, beautiful. Tail lights. So they added the SS emblem. That's part of the SS package right there. Everything out here is beautiful. Reproduction white wall tires, BF Goodrich Silvertown. And then it has the red painted rims with the spinner hubcaps, and they look brand new. So that, I think, wraps up the exterior. Let's get inside, see the interior in that motor. It's really cool from here looking in through that big glass window. Anyway, inside the trunk, concourse restored. Look how it's all painted beautifully. The inserts are real nice. It has the stickers. The jam is just as slick as the car, new weather strip. And then the inside's all clean metal with a neat gray and white spatter finish. 3-piece mats. Now this reproduction tire matches the others. It's never been used. The jack assembly is underneath there. Now we'll get to this in a minute, but he spent $2,000 and added power steering to the car. Here's the original steering box if someone wanted to put it back to original. These cars came with orange valve covers. He put chrome ones on there. So here's the parts. I don't know why you'd want to, but if anyone wanted to put it to original, there you go. Go to volocars.com to see a 200-car inventory. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon and you'll be notified as the new video is posted. Door jambs are restored nicely, weather strips replaced. Door panels are in great shape, all reproduction. You notice it has power window switches too. This is the optional padded dash, just this little piece around the front here. All the trim, everything's really nice. This is the vintage tachometer, the Sun tachometer. That was part of the Super Sport package. 3,600 miles since restoration. All the trim, the knobs, everything's in great shape. Original AM radio. Got an owner's manual. You got the grab bar. All real nice. Kick panels. Carpet fits nice and tight. Reproduction mats. This was part of the SS package. The original 4-speed for a bench seat, so it kind of wraps around the seat. Cushions feel nice and firm, which makes the upholstery fit real nice. It's not wrinkled. They did add some seat belts to the front. Everything in back looks real good. It even has the mat over the hump. All nice cushions, upholstery, armrests, all in beautiful shape. White headliner, has the little stars in it, so when you look up, you're looking at the stars. Matching visors, day and night mirror that he ordered. Two-tone steering wheel in beautiful shape. Yeah, real nice car. Now what you need to understand, a Super Sport, they made, I forget the exact number, like 352 or something like that, or 452. And you can't document them. It's not in the VIN number or anything like that. So if you have a Super Sport, you don't know if it was real or not. Now this is not Super Sport on the bill of sale, but it is the drivetrain. They had different versions of the 348. This is the high performance 350 horsepower with the tri-power carbs, 11 1/4 to 1 compression, solid lifter cam. This engine's a real honker, and it's all authentic. The big dual snorkel air cleaner, the choke tube, the exhaust manifolds. Look at how the firewall and hose clamps and everything is just detailed up real nicely. Battery is properly secured, spring clamp cables, GM hoses and clamps on the radiator too. Correct radiator and shroud. Now this is the power steering. It's a modern power steering system that was $2,000 he spent. A gentleman I bought it from was a third owner. I think he said he's 80 years old, and just makes it nicer to drive. All this is restored. This is part of the tachometer, the Sun tachometer. It has power brakes. It has windshield squirters, hood insulation under the hood. So Michael's going to show you what she's got. We'll see you back here in a couple minutes.
All right, everybody, We got a sweetheart of a vehicle here, 1961 Chevrolet Impala SS. This thing is just amazing. Numbers matching 348 with the tri-power under the hood. It also has the 4-speed on the floor here. This is fully documented. Concourse restoration on this car. And I tell you, it drives every bit as good as it looks. I got really excited about this car when I first saw it in our showroom, and yeah, it's remarkable in every way, shape, and form. It does have power steering. It does have power brakes. Yeah, really great car. And let's see what she's got. And just like that, up to speed, no problem. Everything about it. Handles the bumps very, very easily. Super smooth rider. Steering is great. Just love the grip on this steering wheel. Absolutely fantastic. Oh, and I can't forget to mention, it has power windows. Check that out all the way around. Super cool feature that it has there. So yeah, you also do have the seats are very comfortable. It does have the split front bench seat. So, you know, if you want to get close to your sweetheart, you can do that very easily. But knockout car in every aspect. I'm in love with this one, absolutely. If you want to come check it out for yourself, you are more than welcome to do so. We're about an hour drive outside of Chicago, about a 30-minute drive outside of O'Hare International Airport if you need to fly in. Or go ahead, click the buy it now, and we can just ship it anywhere in the world to you. So keep all that in mind. My impression is it's a fantastic car in every aspect. Check it out yourself on volocars.com.
So it is a concourse type body off frame restoration. Concourse means it's back to original specs. When they took the body off the frame, the whole underbody was stripped. It's all clean, rust-free metal. And they repainted it with the red oxide primer, which would be correct. It looks like they gave it a clear coat over it just to protect it, keep it looking nice. I'm glad they did, because rough primer wouldn't look as good as this with the clear coat. Anyway, all the chassis components all taken apart, rebuilt, all suspension, bushings, brakes, you name it, all restored, all repainted with the proper finishes, has the correct spiral shocks. You look up at the motor, the Chevy orange is still beautiful, it has the screw-on canister oil filter, the correct starter. All the numbers and dates and codes throughout are correct as well. The transmission is the correct trans 4-speed. It's dated. All the linkage is restored. A rebuilt drive shaft. Original rear end still has the code stamped into it. Told you it's a posi. Well, it's a 370 gear in the rear end. Fuel system was all replaced. The tank. This is an outstanding car, and that documentation, I appreciate it, because I've sold these over the years, and people always question it. Well, how do you know if it's a legit car? You don't without the paperwork. This is a legit car, Super Sport package added shortly after he bought it at the dealer. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer the rest of your questions, including how to get this delivered to your door and how to get it financed. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website. Thanks for watching.